Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy fix for a very common problem which I recently faced with my Dell Inspiron laptop. As you can see, I'm pressing the volume up, volume down and the brightness keys, but nothing is happening. See, it's not working. In your laptop, you can see a FN button, which is basically the function button. When you press the function button and as well as the key buttons, I mean the volume button up and down, it works. But when you leave the function button, it doesn't work, right? Don't worry, let me show you how to fix this issue. All you need to do is press the function key and the escape key together and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and see the magic. This combination resets the function key settings and it fixed the issue immediately for me. We have made it. So, if your volume or brightness keys aren't responding, give this a try. It might just save you a trip to the repair shop. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching. Bye.